Because, peace. This is a message on behalf of Chris Patterson, aka the Pattermeister, aka Mr. Patter, also known as Kip. Yeah, please sponsor Kip. He's doing something completely insane, running a 156-mile marathon. Where? In the Sahara Desert. So if you want to please sponsor this guy, because let's be honest, there's a good chance he won't make it back. He's got 2 dogs called Darth Vader and Batman. Doesn't work. 2 different universes. So he's already clearly struggling in the brains department. So it's very important that you'll sponsor him on this monumental journey. Word.